Namaste, everyone. Namaste, Savartanji. So today we are here at Rishikesh Vinyasa Yoga School, and I have a few questions that I would like to ask Savartanji, one of the leading senior directors of Rishikesh Vinyasa Yoga School. So, Savartanji, why among all the schools here in Rishikesh would a student choose to come to your school for yoga teacher training? Could you please offer us a little bit of highlights?
Thank you for asking such question. And I have to give you some bullet highlights that why somebody come to Rishikesh and at Rishikesh Vinyasa Yoga School. The first thing is the background. It's very important that if somebody who wanna wish to learn from the authenticity, they must choose the experience coming from the roots. And what I and entire team offer here is the authenticity coming from the root. Second, the experience. We, in our own journey, coming from teaching around to the locals and every places in India, and then we started something to offer to the entire world. So that is the second point I have to say. The third is, in my own experience of last 10 years interacting, answering, talking to people, their question answer, what I realized that many people they just look at either fee or either the good pictures, but they do not know the reality behind every school. When you look at the individual approach, it may differ from one person to other person. Somebody is coming just to experience what yoga is and what Rishikesh is. But somebody who want to really learn and become a yoga teacher and lead their own private or group session must realize that who they should choose. And here something I can watch for it that you must choose one of them in Rishikesh. Why? Because we are bringing you the wholesome experience. Our team member, the leading director Yaspal itself, have the vast year of experience coming from the background of ashtanga, vinyasa. He led Mysore classes and the led classes, which you will always feel enticing. Every class will motivate you. If you look at our other team member Rajesh, when you see his class, he is very much mischievous sometime, but it makes you more motivated toward going to the fluid stage in the vinyasa flow. What the training and the pattern of training is designed is go different from one school to other school. And here, many people who approach us, they do not know what they are choosing actually. Some people, sorry to say, but they do not read even the website or the email, and they just want to see the good pictures and join. But I certainly have to say that you must know first what you are looking for. If you do not know what you're looking for, it's very difficult for you to choose something worth for yourself. Yoga teacher training, one approach is right to explore and experience, but other approach when concerned to the teaching and becoming a yoga teacher, you must choose something which is, giving you insight of learning, practicing, and teaching someone else. It's not that easy what you think sitting in your home. It's something which comes with the discipline because yoga itself is a discipline. And you have to look at something add in your life with the worth coming from the roots. And teacher experience, quality of learning will only going to help to lead you the classes, private or group session in your place.
Oh, thank you very much.
Any other question?
Yes, definitely. Could you please give us a highlight of what a daily routine at Rishikesh Vinyasa Yoga School would have?
So if you look at our daily schedule, we begin our class with the morning practice of Kriya and Pranayama. So, Kriya is basically the cleansing techniques which we apply to brush up yourself to be clean enough so that you can lead for the better practice. Pranayama to go more concentration toward, and working on your senses is one of the best practice. Then we forward go to the asana practice and meditation practice after, so that you can experience the subtle body, how it works for you, connecting with your mind. Then you have the classes for yoga anatomy, you have yoga philosophy, and then you enjoy the meal. Obviously, it's vegetarian and vegan options what we offer here. So you have this two range of the food which you can, uh, you know, experience at Rishikesh Vinyasa Yoga School.
Perfect. And how about the Rishikesh itself? Would your school offer excursions for the students to get a little bit of knowledge of this beautiful place and location?
Very nice question. So, like I said, there are two sides I see when people join us. One who want to experience and explore Rishikesh, and the one who really want to become a yoga teacher. We welcome both of them. Anybody who wish to experience and explore, or somebody who wish to become a teacher, both are welcome. Now, coming to the main point, people who want to experience and explore, let me tell you one thing, everyone, that Rishikesh is the place which is not very big. It's just a 5 kilometer, which you can experience within 3 weeks, whichever part of the Rishikesh you wish to go, because we have holiday also. Like a Sunday is the full free day, and besides that, we take you to the couple of excursion, like one of the Himalayan temple visit, or maybe going to the outdoor one of the beach excursion, come yoga class practice. And this is how there are a couple of excursion you will experience provided by our team member. But if you want to explore more of Rishikesh, it's very simple. It just walk to the 2 kilometer Ram Jhula, 1 kilometer Lakshman Jhula, enjoy the lot of eateries around. And if you look at our surrounding, you may find restaurants around here too. So if you have to buy some personal stuff, you can walk to just 500 meters from here and you may find some good shop. So, it's not that big place. The 2 kilometer is for your enlightenment.
Yes. And how about what students should bring to the school?
Oh, this is very wonderful question to answer now. I think first thing is coming from different geographical place. If you are entering to India, South Asia, if you are taking any medicine, please carry your medicine. Second, it depends on the season, but if you're coming to the summer, you do not need to carry any cold clothes. So you can just carry your light cloth. If you're coming in winter, obviously you need a jacket, but not something like at minus 30 degree. Just light jacket is good enough for Rishikesh. Rishikesh, this reason is not that cold enough. So you can carry the light jacket, which would be helpful enough. And if you look at to carry besides something, we offer you the room, which is having the bed provided with the linen, changing the pillow linen every week, and also we are giving you the laundry service, like we have washing machine which you can use to clean your clothes. So that's really worth if you are trying to travel light, and not to take a headache of looking for the other laundry services provided around. So we are giving you room, food, laundry service, obviously yoga classes, and more on that, the excursions, which is the part of this program.
Thank you so much, Savartanjin. It was a real pleasure talking to you.
Oh, thank you for asking such question.
Namaste.